Okay guys, I just want to show you something that I've been working on for fun, like a little side project. So let's jump in this hole and see what's going on. Oh, let's just add some torches here. Hey, Luna's here. So I'm not doing anything. I'm not telling her to do anything. She's basically living her own life. And yeah, if I want her, I just tell her to teleport to me or gather wood or something. But for now, I have her on automatic mode with my LLM controlling what she does. So yeah, she will be exploring, she will be doing her own thing. And also she has reinforcement learning, so if something goes bad, she learns from it. Like now she needs a pickaxe. I think I'll give her one of it. There you go. Luna, check your inventory.
Got it. I'll grab coal to mine more with my pickaxe.
Okay. Well, I'll leave her to it, and yeah. That's Luna when she's not online. Alright, alright. Adios.